Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Lighthouse Point, local and long-distance movers near me. When it comes to moving homes within Lighthouse Point, 3 Movers is the go-to local moving company trusted by residents in the area. Our team of experienced professionals has an in-depth understanding of the city's layout, neighborhoods, and logistical considerations, ensuring a seamless relocation process for our clients. As a locally focused company, we take great pride in serving our community and are dedicated to providing efficient and reliable moving services. Whether you're transitioning to a new apartment, condo, or house within Lighthouse Point, 3 Movers offers tailored solutions designed to meet your specific needs. Our comprehensive services encompass everything moving aspect-wise, from expert packing and secure loading to reliable transportation and careful unloading, guaranteeing that your cherished belongings are treated with the utmost care and attention. If you're planning a long-distance move from Lighthouse Point, 3 Movers covers you with our comprehensive long-distance moving services. We understand the importance of meticulous planning, efficient logistics, and the safe transportation of your belongings over long distances. With 3 Movers, you can have a peace of mind knowing that our skilled movers are trained to handle long-distance moves with precision and care. From secure packing and proper documentation to timely delivery, we prioritize the safety and integrity of your items every step of the way. Our competitive pricing options are designed to fit your budget without compromising on the quality of service. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lighthouse Point moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.